Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Today marks the start of World Mental Health Awareness Week. And in this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we highlight the effort of a mental health patient who is on a mission to sensitize youth through educating and reducing stigma surrounding the illness. Kian Morgan reports.
Lakin Winter. She's founder of the accredited Certification Expedited ACE Institute, a charity aimed at bringing awareness to the management of mental health through art therapy. It's an initiative she started back in 2020 after being diagnosed with bipolar disorder 10 years prior.
On the psychiatric ward of Conway Regional, I always colored or painted whenever I would get admitted there, and it was there that I made the crucial and personal connection between art therapy and mental health.
Winter, who hosts Paint for Mental Health workshops across the island, says before being diagnosed, she went through a bout of a bankruptcy, dropping out of university, and homelessness.
I would sleep at a gas station, I slept at a police station, and I slept at a church. There were many days when I had to go without food. I was naked at one point in time. I used to eat out of a garbage bin.
It is why she's on a mission to educate the public on the importance of mental wellness and financial literacy. She believes that the best place to start is in the schools.
Art offers a therapeutic release for individuals who are suffering from stress, anxiety, or depression. And research has shown that individuals who are most affected by mental illness fall between the ages of 16 to 24 years old.
She also believes art therapy can help to stem violence in schools.
Some of them, they go undiagnosed and they're battling anxiety, they're battling stress. Some of them are depressed.
To kickstart her school tour, Winter is imploring others to join the cause as she pushes to spread mental health awareness. She's also encouraging people with mental illnesses and their loved ones to
understanding that you are not your illness and that you're suffering from an illness just like cancer, diabetes, or AIDS. You need your medication. Stay on board with your psychiatrist. You can do things like journaling, you can do things like painting, but the most important thing, I believe, is to have someone that can engage with you in talk therapy, or even just having a friend who can converse with you to say, hey Lakin, what's up? I know that you have been affected by your illness, and what is going on and how can I assist you?
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.